Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be adding our brand to our Adobe Spark Enterprise account. So again, make sure when you're logging in that you're logged in on your school account right over here on the right hand side. So you're going to click it. All you need to do is put in your email, school email address, and it's going to log you in. Now you've already created your logo. And so today you're going to be taking your logo and you're going to be creating your personal brand. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So over here you can see I've created my logo. So I'm going to make sure that I have it saved, which I do. I've downloaded it. So when you're in your logo, you want to make sure you've downloaded your logo. I created it so that it's transparent because I want to be able to put it on top of different things. So I have it there. I saved it onto my desktop. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to go add brands. So it's going to ask me how to start. And I'm going to start now because I have access to all the premium features. I'm going to go over here. It says upload your logo. So I've already downloaded it and it's right over here. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to choose the color. In this case, I have different colors. It's the gray, it's the red that is kind of a big part of the brand. So I'm going to add the red and then I'm going to choose a font. And in this case, you can choose your font. Now remember, this font is going to kind of show up quite often and you want to make sure that you pick something that's easy to read. These natural fonts are nice, but they can be kind of complicated to read. So just think about that as you're going to choose a font. And in this case for me, I'm going to keep it really, really simple and clean. And you can see they have different ones. You can also add fonts. If you have it downloaded, you can open them up and that could be another video that I show you. But I'm going to actually choose something super clean. I'm going to do this condensed font. Keep it really, really clean. So I'm going to go next and I'm going to call this brand name the TanyaAvrith.com brands. Make brand magic. So right now it's creating my logo. And what's really nice about this is it's going to show up in all of the work that I create so that as I'm developing out my brand, it's going to show up on everything that I make, including my Twitter posts. It's going to show up on my pages, on my videos. Anything that I'm going to post socially is going to have this really nice, clean look. And you're going to be creating this for future projects in this trimester and hopefully for later on down the line as you create resumes for school or projects in other classes, you have this consistent look to the work that you're creating. So here we go. I'm now in my brand and I can create branded stories. So notice how everything has this very similar look. And I can, change the way that that looks. But for the most part, I'm going to have this very consistent look. And what's nice about it is that it really goes with my website. And so if you go to see my website and you want to get an understanding of why I did it like this, I'm going to be starting to add pieces to my website. And notice I have the red, the TanyaAvrith.com. So as I'm going to start building out for my personal brand, you're going to start seeing some consistency in the red, the black, the white. That's going to come together. And it's going to look really clean. And so I can create Twitter posts and Pinterest ads and notes. I can add post stamps and video stamps to things that I create. I can have a video outro. I can have a page footer and header. All of this is going to have my logo on it. So it's going to look super clean. So I want you to think about the way that you're designing. We're going to talk a little bit today to make sure that your logo is really easy to use, specifically if you're going to use it as a transparent logo, and I'll talk about that with you in class today. So I hope that was easy and that you're gonna enjoy creating this. So you'll soon see it, the power of your brand with all the things that you can create. So thanks for joining, and we'll be back another time soon.